To meet your financial dreams, you need a strong financial plan. It includes choosing right products for investments. Will SBI Life Smart Future Choices plan be one of your right investment choices? This video helps you to find out whether SBI Life Smart Choices plan is the right investment choice for your investment portfolio or not. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. SBI Life Smart Future Choices Plan is an individual non-linked participating life insurance savings product. In this video, let us look at the features, death benefit, maturity benefit, IRR of this policy, and also let us compare this policy with other investment. First, let us look at the features. You can stay financially protected throughout the policy term. Two benefit options, that is classic choice or flexi choice. Cash bonuses are available from the end of the second policy year. You can completely enjoy the flexibility of choosing your benefit payouts as per your changing financial needs. Money on demand. Survival benefit payouts available at defined intervals under the flexi choice option. Before looking at the benefit options, let us look at the plan option. Classic choice. With this option, you enjoy a lump sum maturity benefit at the end of the policy term along with life cover throughout the policy term. Next is flexi choice. On opting for flexi choice option, you will be eligible to get 10% of your basic sum assured as survival benefit at specified intervals along with your maturity benefit of 80% of basic sum assured at the end of your policy term along with life cover throughout your policy term. Benefit options of SBI Life Smart Future Choices Plan. Survival benefit. There are no survival benefit payable under the classic choice option. Under flexi choice option, you will be eligible to get two benefit payouts of 10% of basic sum assured each at specified intervals. You can defer one or both survival benefits and can be taken anytime during the remaining policy term, or it will be paid at the death of the life assured or surrendered or on maturity. Next, maturity benefit. On survival till the end of the policy term, the following will be payable in lump sum. Under classic choice, guaranteed sum assured on maturity plus accumulated deferred cash bonus if any plus terminal bonus if declared. Guaranteed sum assured on maturity will be based on age, premium paying term and policy term. Under flexi choice option, guaranteed sum assured on maturity plus accumulated survival benefit if any plus accumulated deferred cash bonus if any plus terminal bonus if declared. The guaranteed sum assured on maturity will be equal to 80% of basic sum assured. Next, death benefit. On death of the life assured during the policy term, the following will be payable. Higher of sum assured on death plus accumulated deferred cash bonus plus terminal bonus, or minimum death benefit which is equal to 105% of total premiums received up to the date of death, where sum assured on death is 11 times of annualized premium. If the policyholder has opted for flexi choice, then in addition to the above benefit, accumulated survival benefit if any will also be paid. Now let us look at the advantages and disadvantages of SBI Life Smart Future Choices Plan. Advantages: option to choose the premium paying term and policy term as per your convenience. Enjoy the flexibility to avail your benefits as per your financial needs with two benefit options to choose from. You may opt to change your benefit option later, which can be done after the end of the premium paying term up to 9 months. You have the option to defer the survival benefit under flexi choice option and cash bonus under both option. Next, disadvantages. Policy loan is not available. The maturity benefit will not be sufficient to meet the inflated cost of the financial goals. The sum assured is inadequate to meet your family's future financial needs. After analyzing the basic details of the plan, it is not easy to decide whether to include SBI Life Smart Future Choice Plan in your investment portfolio or not. So, let us figure out the internal rate of return for this policy. This result can be compared with other investment returns. Let us assume that a 35-year-old male opts for this SBI Life Smart Future Choice Plan with an annual premium of Rs 1,50,000. He opts for classic option and defers the cash bonus as well. The sum assured is Rs 22,23,000 and the policy term is 20 years and the premium paying term is 15 years. The assumed rates of return at 4% and 8% per annum respectively are only illustrative scenarios and assumed constant during the bonus accrual period, whereas actual bonus could vary. These rates of returns are not guaranteed and they are not higher or lower limit of returns. Under the assumed rate of 4% scenario, the IRR is 2.46%. Under the assumed rate of 8% scenario, the IRR is 4.35%. This rate is far below than any debt instrument return. You get a better return by investing in a bank FD compared to investing in SBI Life Smart Future Choices plan. The return from this SBI Life Smart Future Choice policy are not sufficient to keep up with the inflation, which can reduce the real value of the policy payout. The life cover provided is also limited compared to a pure term insurance policy. Now, let us find out what would be the returns if we invest the same amount of rupees 1,50,000 in other investment alternatives. SBI Life Smart Future Choice Plan is an endowment policy, so we can utilize the premium for life cover and also for investment. A pure term insurance policy for a sum assured of rupees 25 lakhs would cost rupees 21,000. The policy term is 20 years and the premium paying term is 10 years. After paying the pure term insurance, the balance could be utilized for investment purposes. In the earlier illustration, the premium paying term is for 15 years, but here for pure term insurance policy, it is 10 years. So in the next 5 years, the whole amount of rupees 1,50,000 could be utilized for investment. We have chosen one debt instrument and one equity instrument, PPF for debt and ELSS for equity. For our comparison, the ELSS maturity proceeds are subject to capital gains tax. Here we have taken the post-tax maturity value. The ELSS tax calculation is given here. The IRR for pure term insurance along with PPF investment is 6.24% and the IRR for pure term insurance along with ELSS investment is 10.47%, which is post-tax return. These numbers add evidence to the point that investing separately for your life's financial goals is always the best choice. Final verdict on SBI Life Smart Future Choices Plan. SBI Life Smart Future Choice Plan is a comprehensive investment cum insurance plan that provides two benefit plan options to the policyholder along with the life cover. The plan also offers flexibility in terms of premium paying and policy term. It allows you to defer the cash bonus. After the analysis, we would like to conclude that both from an investment perspective and from life cover perspective, the SBI Life Smart Future Choice Plan will not be beneficial to you. While an endowment policy may provide a combination of life cover and savings benefit, it is important to consider the potential return before investing in such a policy. You can consult with your financial advisor to curate the perfect financial plan best suited to your financial goals to achieve better results. It is advisable to carefully evaluate your financial needs and investment goals before deciding on the best investment product for you. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website and the link is given in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.